Okay, in the last video I showed you how to make this box, and this box much larger and how to do it the easy way. Now we got a problem. This line is not lined up. See that? So this is how you can fix it. Home, Editing, Select Pane. Notice you can't click individual objects. Why? Because it's a smart art design, which is fine. So this is what we do. Click on this box, okay, and now with the arrow on your keyboard, the right arrow, see I'm pressing it 1, 2, let's see if that's enough, and now I click away. I go 1 to the left, let's see if that's enough. Wow, it's a tough call, right? Oh my goodness, let me get back in there. Yeah, I wonder if we could just delete that line. Delete? It won't allow us to delete it. Okay, so let's click one more time. There it is. I think that's going to be good enough. So let's make it smaller. So what you just learned is you can click on a box, you can click on a connector or whatever, and if you want to move it just a little bit, then use the up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrow on your keyboard, and it'll move it ever so slightly. And that's it.